Hi guys, Stan here, your garage door expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most common garage doors issues by yourself. Let's go!
Let's do it. So you're in your garage trying to close the door by clicking the button on the remote or pushing the button on the wall, but for some reason nothing is happening. Sometimes the door will start going down, but then it will reverse and will go back up. And all you can see is the motor is blinking like this, the light is blinking, the motor is clicking, but nothing is happening. What could be the problem? 90% of the times we know what the problem is. It's your safety sensors. They could be broken, misaligned, or covered with something. The other 10%, those problems are not that common, and we'll explain about them in our next video.
So what are those safety sensors for? How do they work and how to fix them? Let me explain. Today all garage doors are operated by automatic garage door openers. Safety sensors is the feature to prevent from the door accidentally closing on something or someone.
How do they work? You have one of those on each side of the door located approximately 6 inches from the floor. Now imagine there is an invisible laser that goes between them end to end. That laser is supposed to always stay uninterrupted in order for the door to close. Now if we put something in between like this, you see the light goes off. Or if we move it around or misalign it, it will go away from the other one. The door will not go down. So you're always supposed to look for the light on each side of the sensor. It's a little light, sometimes it could be green on both sides, sometimes it could be one side green, the other side is orange, or both of them could be red. It really depends on the model of the opener that you have. But the light's supposed to always be there, and you will see once something is on the way, the light just goes off.
Now how do we fix them? Find the side that doesn't look good. For example, this one. Put it back on the truck. You do it like this. You just click it back. Make sure it's on the same level as the other side. Tighten it. Make sure it's very solid and strong. Remove everything that's on the path of it. Something like this, or it could be a garbage can, or some things that you don't think about them, but they are actually obstructing the path of the sensors. Make sure the light here is not blinking and stays solid. If it's blinking, then you'll see when the door is start going down, but then reversing and goes back up. Clean them, maybe once a year. Make sure you clean those sensors with a rag or something to make sure there is no like spider web or anything that could become an obstruction in the future. So we tried everything. We cleaned them, we moved them around, tried to align them, make sure nothing is on the path, but they're still not working. They're probably broken. So what we can do, we can replace them. The way to do it, you order the set of sensors online. We're gonna add a link below to order them. You're gonna get them like this, and I'm gonna show you how to replace them. It's only gonna take 5 to 10 minutes. It's not that hard. I'm gonna show you how to do one side, but you make sure you do both sides. So how we replace safety sensors? You start by removing them from the old bracket like this. You untie the screw, remove the old sensor, cut the wire. Don't worry guys, this is a low voltage. You're not gonna get shocked or anything like this. So you cut the wire, then you clean it. You clean them like this. Okay, make sure there's very important detail here. You have one without black stripe and the other one with black stripe. So the new sensor is supposed to go black to black, white to white. So what you do, you put the new one back here. You tighten it very strong, solid, so it's not moving, just like that. Okay, then you take your wire nuts, you find the black one, black to black, you splice them together like this. You put a wire nut one side and the same for the other side. Okay, now we try. We click the button, light comes on, door goes up, and that's how you replace the safety sensors. Now when everything is done, we want to make sure our door is working properly. So we click on the remote and we watch the door go all the way down. Now a little life hack for you guys. If it's late at night and your sensors are not working and you don't want to mess with them, what you can do is you can push the button on the wall, and only button on the wall because it's hardwired, not the remote. Push it and hold it. This way you're bypassing the sensors and the door will go all the way down. And then in the morning you can take care of your sensor problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please remember, garage doors are very heavy and could be dangerous. If you feel like you can't do it yourself, don't think twice. Call a professional. We're not responsible for any safety issues that could occur during the process. But if this video was helpful for you, please let us know in the comments below if you were able to fix the door by yourself or you had to pay for someone for fixing that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one.